Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca Beach and I am about to open a very exciting package. This video is sponsored by FabFitFun and they have put together a package for me, and actually I picked the things that were in it a couple months ago and I'm so excited because I forgot what I picked, but I know that it was good, so I'm gonna open it on camera with you guys. So FabFitFun just released their winter box and I am so excited. If you didn't already know this, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year with full-sized fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products. Each box is only $49.99, but it has a value of over $200 each season. Plus, you can get your first box for $10 off with my code BeccaBeach. I will have a link in the description below with my code so that you can get it for a really good deal. What's cool about FabFitFun is they send a new box every 3 months and you can choose to have it sent to you randomly, all new things that are exciting. Or you can pick some of the stuff that's in it now and make it customizable for yourself, stuff that you know you would love. Okay, I just found out something really interesting. All of the stuff that I got in my box specifically was actually way over $200. It was $267, all the stuff that I got. And so I actually circled all of them and I was like, I want to tell them how much each of them is. So this blanket is a $65 blanket. I can tell you, I never would have spent that much on this blanket, but I am so happy right now because I got it this way. So, and then the slippers that I have, I would never, ever, ever spend $45 on slippers, but they're so nice. I'm so happy right now with these slippers. $45 for these, and they're so perfect. I love them. I like that they show you how much each thing is. So looks like the bracelet, this bracelet is a $39 bracelet. And then the crossbody bag was actually fairly inexpensive, $17.99. Oh, this is a $17 makeup cleaner. And then this awesome body wash slash hand wash is $40. I would never spend that much, but I'm so glad that I got it through this. And then the prime and detangler is $23. And the makeup eraser is $20. Overall, I feel like I got a dang good deal on all this stuff. Okay, it's happening. Check it out. This is what came with it. What's cool is like everything in this box is something that's founded by women, right? So I customized some of the items in this box and I'm gonna get to show you what I got in my box. This is how it's packaged. It has share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. I remember what I got now. Oh yeah. A makeup eraser. So this is cool. Erase all makeup with just water. Bye bye makeup wipes forever. I like that because I feel like makeup wipes are such a waste. So this is like a reusable makeup cloth. You can wash it in the washer, you just get it wet. Yeah, I love that you don't have to use any like soap or anything because I am super simple. I don't like buying a whole bunch of body soaps and stuff, so this is perfect for me. And did I mention that you can get FabFitFun in the US, Canada, and the UK? A necklace! Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put it on right now. I feel like it's Christmas. Is it a necklace? No, it's a bracelet. It's so cute. It has a single diamond on it. I love it. That is so cute. I love simple jewelry too, so I love it. Oh, so this is a brush cleaner. Color switch brush cleaner, and it doesn't take any water or anything. You just kind of rub your brush on it and it cleans it out. It has this really weird texture, but it's basically a like sponge thing that will pick up the powder. I like the idea and I want to try and see if it will clean up my brushes too. I think it will do a good job. Prime and Prep Detangler. Oh, this is cool. So it's basically a detangler, but it's also like a prep for blow drying. So it probably has some, so primes, preps, and detangles. And it helps like even if your hair is like 1 day old from blow drying, you can put this back on your hair and then blow dry it again and it will make it look fresh and clean. Nice. Yay! Oh, this is such a cute little bag. Hey, I love this. And the texture of it's really cool too. This is literally perfect for me. This size of purse, I don't like carrying around a ton of stuff. And this size of purse is going to be perfect. I will totally use this. It smells new too. Oh. Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Ooh, I like this. I'm gonna smell it. I like that it's Epsom salts too because that's so good for you. Lavender oil, that's what it smells like. So I like that it's all natural. It smells so good. Lavender is for like relaxing you. I think that's the point. They're sending all of these things to help me get relaxed because I'm stressed. Oh, wow. Okay, I think, if I remember correctly, I think this is what I got to pick. Oh, it feels like heaven. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. I love this. The creases in this blanket are caused by cuddling with the other items in your box. Yeah. Oh, wow. This is so, like, such a good deal. For all of this stuff, only $49.99, and that's like, this is a ton of stuff. That's such a good deal. It's bigger than I thought, too. Oh, I'm so happy with this. And finally, we have these really nice slippers that have fur on the inside and sweater-looking material on the outside. Oh yeah, check it out. Gotta see this. Look at these. These are so soft too. These are gonna be ones that I'm wearing all the time. And I love when slippers come and they have like a harder bottom because I feel like I'm gonna ruin them if I'm walking around with ones that are like the soft bottom. So this is really nice so that I can feel like I'll actually be able to wear them around. Oh, I'm so excited. These look so nice. Check it out. Here's my shoes. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. That's so soft. So nice. Those feel so good. And they're really super cushiony too. And I like the color. I like that they're just gray. So when I'm walking around the house, I want to just like not worry about how crazy I look. And gray is like a really good neutral color to just wear around the house and be comfortable. Yay! Ah! Really? Well, it's time for me to have a little party of my own and just enjoy all the things that I got, so make sure to get yours now so that you can customize it just in time for winter, and then we can all cozy up with slippers and blankets and all of these fun products that are totally things I'm gonna use. Anyways, thanks for watching so much. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!